How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is my loungewear outfit of the day. And I bought this. It's like an explosion of colors. This Caftan from Amazon. Okay, starting with my hair. I don't even know what wig this is, but I think it's a cute little bob. Caftan. You can spell it with a K or a C. Let me get my pose on. Yes, I'm barefoot. We don't wear shoes in the house. And half the time I can't even find my house shoes. So, let me get my pose. This thing be moving. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. I have on airbrush makeup today. I'm liking it more and more because it really evens out my skin tone. Because I got all kind of stuff going on with my face, child. Freckles and everything. Thanks for watching. Leave me a nice comment, thumbs up, and you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye. Stay safe.